Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and evaluate the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for you. The Aqua Pure 70 billion 20 million 3060 Whole House Scale Inhibition Inline Water System AP430SS. This product is gaining quite a reputation, and for a good reason. It's often hailed as the best whole house water filter to remove calcium. Now, let's dive into what makes it so remarkable. The Aqua Pure AP430SS is designed to help reduce scale buildup and corrosion in your water system. Particularly those pesky calcium deposits that can wreak havoc on your appliances and plumbing. First off, it's built like a tank, featuring a sturdy stainless steel construction. This ensures durability and longevity, making it a reliable addition to your water setup. Another great thing about this product is its compact size. It won't take up much space, and installation is a breeze. Just make sure you have isolation valves on each side and a drain valve for easy cartridge replacement. Speaking of cartridges, this system uses a replaceable cartridge filled with polyphosphates. These polyphosphates work their magic by binding calcium and magnesium hardness minerals in your water, preventing them from forming solid deposits and scaling up your appliances. That's right, folks. The AP430SS doesn't just filter your water, it actively inhibits scale buildup. This can extend the life of your water heaters, washing machines, and other water-using appliances while keeping your plumbing fixtures in tip-top shape. And if you're wondering about its credentials, it's NSF and ANSI certified, meeting the highest standards for material and structural requirements. So, you can trust it to get the job done effectively and safely. Worried about reduced water flow? Don't be. This system maintains a high flow rate of up to 10 gallons per minute, ensuring you don't sacrifice water pressure for scale protection. In a nutshell, the Aqua Pure is a cost-effective solution for tackling hard water problems. It's easy to install, boasts a robust design, and actively fights against scale buildup. So, there you have it, folks. If you've been dealing with the woes of hard water, this could be your best bet. The Aqua Pure Whole House Scale Inhibition Inline Water System AP430SS is here to save the day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this water system, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay tuned for more great products right here on Product Critique.